Today we will learn some short sentences. If you learn them, you will be able to speak English very quickly. You must learn these sentences because these sentences you can use everywhere when speaking English. Moreover, these sentences are used very much in spoken English. As a result, you can learn English very quickly. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. He is kind. He is kind. He did it tactfully. He did it tactfully. He is very diligent. He is very diligent. She ruined my life. She ruined my life. It rained all night long. It rained all night long. All were drowned. All were drowned. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. Lay the table for dinner. Lay the table for dinner. Go and welcome them. Go and welcome them. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Blow out the matchstick. Blow out the matchstick. Never eat stale food. Never eat stale food. Get ready. Get ready. Wring it out fast. Wring it out fast. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Draw the curtain. Draw the curtain. Don't play innocent. Don't play innocent. Look what I found. Look what I found. The milk has boiled. The milk has boiled. The milk turned sour. The milk turned sour. Wring out the towel. Wring out the towel. Tuck your shirt in. Tuck your shirt in. Unclench your fist. Unclench your fist. Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. You are my namesake. You are my namesake. You will get wet. You will get wet. Not you. Not you. Why are you worried? Why are you worried? Have you gone nuts? Have you gone nuts? How do you feel now? How do you feel now? You are stubborn. You are stubborn. You can count on me. You can count on me. Hurry up. Hurry up. He looks very tired. He looks very tired. Don't discredit him. Don't discredit him. Tomatoes are very appetizing. Tomatoes are very appetizing. Wake up. Wake up. Don't worry. Don't worry. Cut down on tea. Cut down on tea. Untie the knot. Untie the knot. Heat up the food. Heat up the food. No idea. No idea. Why not? Why not? Did anyone hit you? Did anyone hit you? Who was yelling? Who was yelling? Have some patience. Have some patience. What if they refuse? What if they refuse? How much? How much? How stupid. How stupid. What is the time? What is the time? Get him off the bed. Get him off the bed. How did he get hurt? How did he get hurt? Don't be so excited. Don't be so excited. Get it repaired. Get it repaired. It is your illusion. It is your illusion. Put it on the chair. Put it on the chair. Is this heavy? Is this heavy? That was my mistake. That was my mistake. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. How much altogether? How much altogether? This shirt suits you. This shirt suits you. Pray to God. Pray to God. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. I wish I were there. I wish I were there. I wish I could. I wish I could. I keep fast sometimes. I keep fast sometimes. I had a hearty meal. I had a hearty meal. I don't understand. I don't understand. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I can't say. I can't say. I am angry on you. I am angry on you. I invited him to dinner. I invited him to dinner. I rebuked him badly. I rebuked him badly. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. I am sweating a lot. I am sweating a lot. I am getting hiccups. I am getting hiccups. My hands are wet. My hands are wet. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. My mind is reeling. My mind is reeling. My brother slapped me. My brother slapped me. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Believe me. Believe me. Call me back. Call me back. We can't reach there. We can't reach there. We decided to swim. We decided to swim. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. Can we have a word? Can we have a word? We have our lunch at 1 p.m. We have our lunch at 1 p.m. You became fat. You became fat. You are wrong. You are wrong. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. Don't misuse. Don't misuse. Help others. Help others. It's too late. It's too late. He had just arrived. He had just arrived. He had one daughter. He had one daughter. Speak slowly and clearly. Speak slowly and clearly.
Please have a cold drink. Please have a cold drink. What's up? What's up? Well, allow me to go. Well, allow me to go. Good to see you. Good to see you. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I don't have an extra pen. I don't have an extra pen. I have no choice. I have no choice. I have been studying English for 10 years. I have been studying English for 10 years. This is just the shirt I want. This is just the shirt I want. Or we can say, I want this shirt. I want this shirt. May I use your phone? May I use your phone? May I sit here? May I sit here? I am very tired. I am very tired. I like basketball. I like basketball. As far as I know. As far as I know. Or we can say, as much as I know. As much as I know. I am going shopping. I am going shopping. Please stay a little more. Please stay a little more. Or we can say, sit a little longer. Sit a little longer. It is very difficult to get a job at this time. It is very difficult to get a job at this time. Or we can say, this is quite difficult to get a job right now. This is quite difficult to get a job right now. I am waiting for a friend. I am waiting for a friend. Will you do a thing? Will you do a thing? It is nearly midnight. It is nearly midnight. This is very good for you. This is very good for you. It is you who have done it. It is you who have done it. How much is it? How much is it? This is for you. This is for you. You may go now. You may go now. Is there anyone you like? Is there anyone you like? It is time to get up. It is time to get up. Oh, that sounds like fun. Oh, that sounds like fun. No one could do it. No one could do it. Why do you chatter? Why do you chatter? How is it going? How is it going? It's very hard to know what the truth is. It's very hard to know what the truth is. Let us go by bus. Let us go by bus. When do they meet? When do they meet? Or we can say, when they meet. When they meet. What book are you reading now? What book are you reading now? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Who are you going to vote for? Who are you going to vote for? Do you want to come? Do you want to come? Let me in. Let me in. I believe in him. I believe in him. That's the way. That's the way. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. I won the lottery. I won the lottery. The boy began to cry. The boy began to cry. I want to get rid of it. I want to get rid of it. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. I am afraid to go. I am afraid to go. Don't listen to her. Don't listen to her. Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. I am trying to sleep. I am trying to sleep. Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Do you have any job offers? Do you have any job offers? Did you get it? Did you get it? You were right. You were right. You should shop online. You should shop online. What do you talk about? What do you talk about? Your English is so good. Your English is so good. Have you found a girlfriend yet? Have you found a girlfriend yet? Have you finished your shopping yet? Waiting for you. Waiting for you. Too good for you. Too good for you. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute? Who's calling, please? Who's calling, please? Please come in. Please come in. No, I have another job now. No, I have another job now. No, I do not want to trouble you. No, I do not want to trouble you. No, not yet. No, not yet. Have a seat. Have a seat. Better time will come. Better time will come. It's hard to decide. It's hard to decide. He made me do it. He made me do it. He is strong in English. He is strong in English. What does he do? What does he do? He doesn't know anything. He doesn't know anything. How is she? How is she? She is really nice. She is really nice. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Would you mind driving for a while? Would you mind driving for a while? Sorry, I would like to, but I don't know how to drive. Sorry, I would like to, but I don't know how to drive. Do you want me to teach you? Do you want me to teach you? How did you learn it? How did you learn it?
Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.